YouTube, I'm going to be doing a review on my ZAGG Keys Profile. It's a keyboard for my iPad 2, but this one works for iPad 2nd, 3rd, and 4th generation. Here's the box. Okay, cool thing about this. I love it so much. I've tried many keyboards that had stands, but I didn't like where the charger was. This one I love. I can still plug it in and get access to the full keys right here. So yeah, easy to set up on your iPad. Also, there's instructions on how to do that in here. There's a pair button, so all you do is go into your settings and then Bluetooth, turn it on, and then press pair, and it'll pop up on your iPad, and then just pair it with it. And can't remember if this is the one, but it has you punch in a code, and voila, it's paired forever until you want to forget the device, which you won't when you try this out. So it sits kind of slanted on it, which I really like. Or if you really wanted to, you could stand it straight up, and sometimes it falls and sometimes it doesn't. But why this one? Because my sister has a black one by ZAGG, but it doesn't come with the cool feature that I wanted, like this. It flashes 3 times when it turns on. Right here, little light bulb to turn on, and if you hold it, you go through 7 different, I guess, colors. And cool thing about it, gotta turn it on again. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Right here shows you the battery life, and there is a booklet that tells you what that means. So really cool. Magnet shut, so it does turn off iPad and turns it on when you open it, which I really like. Overall, pretty light, even with the iPad. I don't know how much, but here's what it says. Magnetic closure, check. Intuitive stand, love it. And then it's fast and accurate. Yes, I can type I think 3 paragraphs, and what's nice is it's like a laptop now. Okay, it's only, it's ultra thin, which is nice because I've taken this on road trips with us. My iPad's normally in this all the time, so right now it's like, because it's out. But anyways, I'm just gonna go through the things on the back. It's thin, yes. Sophisticated, yes. It's fake leather, but as you can see, my case is a little dirty here and here. But other than that, I would recommend this. I just wish they came in different colors. But, oh well, you get your colors in the keyboard, which is nice. It's clever, yes. Keeps it closed, like I can lay it like this while the iPad would be in here and it would keep shut. Next is portable, very.